What's up guys, Z-Mod here, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be checking out a Cam-Link product. Now this isn't the official Cam-Link made by Elgato. This is, I guess you could say, third-party, knockoff, off-brand version. This is it right here. Looks pretty interesting, so let's unbox it and see how good this is. So this is the product. Here we go. Oh, there we go. We got quite a few things here. Alright, so first thing we got here is the user manual for this product. Can go through it, just look through and just see everything, kind of like this. Pretty cool stuff. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the product we've been waiting for. As you can see right here, we're about to open this and see what we got. Oh man, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is it, as you can see. Looks pretty cool, pretty hyped about this. You can see the HDMI port here and the USB part. It's something simple, it's not extreme, it's nothing over the top or anything, but this is helpful for anyone who wants to convert their camera into a webcam during meetings or live streaming or making a video or something. I mean, the Sony ZV-E10, which is the camera I have, has the capability of USB-C, where it can still turn into a webcam using the USB plug-in right into the PC, but you only get 720 at 30 frames, and in today's standard world, 720 isn't considered HD anymore. So it's kind of like old. It's kind of like more towards standard definition. People don't really want to use that. So this thing only cost me a total of $20, keep in mind. This was only 20 bucks for this product compared to what you'd be getting if you went with the Elgato version, which is, what was it, about $120, $140. But this thing was about 20. Okay, for this part of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Cam-Link, so let's jump in. Okay, so what you'll need is your Cam-Link, your mini HDMI to HDMI cable, and your camera. Alright, so now we're going to set up the Cam-Link right here. So what you'll need to do is connect the HDMI cable into your HDMI port right here. So let's do that real quick. There we go. So now for the next part. Okay, so for the next part, you're going to want to open this latch right here. There we go. As you can see, we got the USB-C and the HDMI port here. So with the mini HDMI, you're going to want to plug it into this port here and make sure you have it the right way when plugging in. There we go. So now you got this set up. The next and final part here will be for this to be plugged into the USB port in my computer. So as you can see guys, we are currently running the $20 Cam-Link, and this is the result of it. I don't know about you, but it looks pretty good for what it is. You let me know in the comment section below what you think of the quality and everything, and you let me know if you think this is worth 20 bucks. But yes, this is the end result. It was simple to set up, it was simple to unbox, and it was very easy to get it to work on OBS with what we have. So yeah, overall, the results look great. I think it's definitely worth the money. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys. If it was, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe notifications on so you don't miss any videos. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of the video. That being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!